Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to block gambling sites and apps. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Access your browser settings. The exact steps will vary depending on your browser, but most browsers use a menu icon in the top right corner to access settings. Click that icon and look for a menu option labeled Settings or similar. Step 2. Locate the security or privacy settings. Within your browser settings, there will usually be a section dedicated to security and privacy. This section might be labeled Security and Privacy or something similar. Step 3. Find content restriction options. Once you're in the security or privacy settings, look for options related to restricting content. In Chrome, for example, this is called Site Settings. Here you'll find various controls for what kind of content your browser can access. Step 4. Block specific gambling sites. Look for a section related to blocking unwanted content, such as unsanctioned content or restricted sites. Here you can add the URLs of specific gambling sites that you want to block. This will prevent your browser from loading those sites entirely, providing a more comprehensive blocking solution. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.